I have chosen the second scenario for this assignment. The 4-year-old daughter was crying for her clothes for the preschool Valentine's party. Um, um, to identify the problem, I have found that this is the child inability to make difference between non-transparent objects. She can understand the consequences of some choices as to if you do this, then that will happen. If you do this, then you will have that. The child is unable to catch the idea of putting a pants on skirt will automatically hidden the images in skirt. Her age and the cognitive person is trying to make is doesn't match. Her cognitive has not yet developed that for that transaction or operation. To the impact that has on the different parties. So we have the child and her parent. Um, the child is unhappy about the situation. She has not yet unable to understand quietly. She got mad and she was saying harsh words to her father. This is inappropriate. The parent could have been very angry to this child. And should the parent understand the development age of her child, he could have not he will not let that situation bother him too much. Either way, this behavior should be reproved, and not tolerate. And to discuss an alternative, we we might have to to remind ourselves uh, this behavior, if this behavior has been used uh, on the past, if a situation like this was existed, then how did we handle that? Did we use harsh words? Did we behave a certain way that the child can mirror to express such behavior? So this trying we trying to see the cause of uh, and and that we might suggest that we buy a new pant or a new skirt or skirt pant with hat image on it. Or we can propose that we put a glue. I mean, we put the glue. We glue the hat on the pants and or on the skirt, or we can have the girl carry the image in a hat image, a hat picture. Uh, anyway, that's some of the alternatives that we can check to have her. I mean, carry the hat that she's trying to. How to implement consequences of punishment on a 4-year-old daughter. We can express or show unhappiness of for this behavior, and we can suggest that we can tell her that not to repeat this any longer, or this will not be tolerated. We can promise the child that to explain to her the concept of if you do this, then that will happen. Uh, and we can even do some simulation with a closed or an open door. If you close the door, then you will not be able to see people inside. And to tell the child that she will understand better as she goes up, and she will understand when she gets old enough. As to future expectation, we can express love and compassion for the child and tell her that we're happy that she wants to choose the way she dresses and to go to an activity. And we express concerns as to the way she talks to her parents. This behavior is not accepted, it can be tolerated, and will be corrected appropriately next time this happens. We can even prevent her from going to any other activity. Thanks, that's it.